bicycle. Strong, light, bathed in the golden light of sunrise, the gentle wind whispers through the towering stalks. Soon,
35, 36, 37. Yes, these are mature.
I've marked the mature ones. See the chalk here.
Yes, they look ready for harvest. The diameter is perfect.
It's giving way now. I have it. Bring it down slow.
Cuidado abajo.
Dale, bájalo.
Together now.
Oh.
Transporting these golden poles is a precise operation, ensuring they arrive perfectly organized.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Okay, hold it there. Now lift it easy. Make sure the pressure is set correctly on line 3.
Looks good from here, almost spotless.
inside the automated tunnel, controlled warm air currents ensure every surface is evenly dried, a crucial step in the manufacturing process. The vacuum kiln allows for precise moisture removal, preserving the vibrant color and integrity of the bamboo. Bamboo transfer complete. Chamber sealed. Controlled heating initiated. Multiple robotic spray systems evenly apply an advanced, eco-friendly protective solution across every bamboo surface. Precision machines gently polish each bamboo tube, revealing the beautiful natural grain and creating that perfect glossy finish.
The strength-to-weight ratio of this bamboo joint is promising, but can it handle the repeated stress of the folding mechanism?
We need to verify the simulations. Scanning sequence initiated. Wall thickness and diameter confirmed. Structural consistency validated. Measurement complete. Computer-controlled cutting machines carefully position every bamboo tube before diamond precision blades slice each section at perfectly calculated angles.
Check the angle on the pivot point again.
It's exactly 90 degrees. The alignment is perfect.
Here, every bamboo tube is secured with microscopic accuracy before the drilling begins.
These machines represent the pinnacle of sustainable engineering, drilling flawlessly through the reinforced bamboo. Every drilled component is examined by advanced optical scanners, ensuring perfect alignment and quality control. Here, solid aluminum alloy enters the machining center, where powerful tools sculpt the metal into beautifully engineered components. The polishing sequence is complete, resulting in a flawless mirror finish for every component.
The tolerances look perfect on this rotation.
Yes, the cams are locking smoothly.
By inserting a reinforced carbon fiber sleeve, we maximize the structural integrity of the bamboo while preserving its elegant natural appearance.
Okay, pressing the joint into place. Check the tolerance on that side.
Reading steady at 0. The bond looks perfect.
We wrap every connection with premium carbon fiber, ensuring the frame is both incredibly strong and lightweight. Here, carefully regulated temperature and humidity permanently strengthen every adhesive bond and carbon fiber joint.
Right there, smooth that edge a little more.
How does that feel now?
Perfect, that's exactly what we needed.
Using progressively finer polishing wheels, the master craftsmen reveal the natural grain's exceptional clarity and depth.
The freshly coated bamboo enters the UV curing chamber, where powerful light instantly hardens the protective finish.
Surface finish is excellent. No voids in the resin.
Structural integrity is sound. We are good to sign off. Building a high-performance wheel requires both artisanal skill and the precision of modern machinery to achieve perfect balance.
In a hydraulic installation machine, precision bearings are pressed smoothly into the reinforced bamboo frame, ensuring flawless alignment.
Ensure the torque is set to the specified 5 Newton meters.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Precision engineering ensures every watt is translated seamlessly to the road.
Achieving perfect alignment requires meticulous attention to every pivot spring and guide pulley.
We use a precision torque wrench to ensure optimal clamping force without stressing the carbon fork. Then we give it a spin.
It's routed cleanly.
Yes, the tension feels perfect now.
The indexing is still slightly off on the 7th gear.
I see it. Adjusting the tension now. That should stabilize the readout. Check the tolerances on the left side.
Looks good.
I'm engaging the locking mechanism now.
Flawless even under maximum load. The carbon joints show no stress.
The robotic arm simulates years of use, ensuring the bamboo hinge can withstand thousands of cycles. Our laser scanning systems meticulously check wheel alignment and steering geometry, ensuring perfect dimensional accuracy.
In this high-performance simulation, the calipers exert maximum force. The resulting friction causes the vented steel. Weighing in at just under 8 kilograms, the natural strength of the bamboo allows for an incredibly lightweight, yet durable design. How does the data look on the carbon fiber?
It's perfect. This one is cleared for release.
Here are the bottle holder bolts, tightened to spec. The reflector just clicked in. Ensure the straps are completely flush. Yes, optimizing for zero movement during transit. Excellent, that should hold perfectly.
All right, slowly lower it on your side.
Copy that. Making contact.
Our automated system precisely folds this heavy-duty recyclable cardboard, ensuring a perfect fit for your bamboo bicycle. The vacuum lift system ensures perfect alignment, gently securing the polished bamboo frame for transit. With absolute precision, the machinery folds the final flaps, applying a smooth, clean seal as the package moves rapidly down the line.
Scanning sequence complete. Structural integrity verified. Passing to next stage.
The synchronized movement of the robotic arms ensures perfect alignment, optimizing space and space stability.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that every shipment is handled with the utmost care and precision. Behold the pinnacle of sustainable engineering, the bamboo folding bicycle. Strong, light,